Welcome to Rome, a city where every street corner tells a story and every monument is a piece of living history. From ancient ruins to Renaissance art, Rome is a treasure trove for travelers. In this video, we'll guide you through the must-see places in Rome, the best ways to get around, where to enjoy authentic Italian cuisine, and the top spots to stay. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of the eternal city, this guide has you covered. Let's dive into the wonders of Rome. Where to visit? The Colosseum and Roman Forum. The Colosseum is undoubtedly Rome's most iconic landmark. This ancient amphitheater, dating back to 70–80 AD, once hosted gladiator battles and public spectacles. The standard ticket price is around $16, which includes entry to the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. For a more immersive experience, consider a guided tour that can range from $30 to $50, providing a deeper insight into the history and architecture of these ancient sites. Remember, it's advisable to book tickets in advance to avoid long queues. The Vatican City and St. Peter's Basilica. A trip to Rome wouldn't be complete without visiting Vatican City, the world's smallest independent state. Home to the Vatican Museums, Sistine Chapel, and St. Peter's Basilica, this place is a must-see. The entrance fee to the Vatican Museums and Sistine Chapel is around $17, with additional costs for guided tours. Access to St. Peter's Basilica is free, but if you want to climb to the top of the dome, it costs about $10. For art and history enthusiasts, this is worth every penny. The Pantheon and Piazza Navona. The Pantheon, a marvel of ancient Roman engineering, is one of the best-preserved monuments in Rome. Surprisingly, entry is free. This architectural wonder, with its impressive dome and oculus, continues to inspire architects around the world. Just a short walk away is Piazza Navona, a bustling square filled with fountains, street artists, and cafes. While there's no entry fee, indulging in a gelato or a coffee at one of the cafes will cost you around $3 to $5. The Trevi Fountain and Spanish Steps. Tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain is a tradition that promises your return to Rome. This stunning Baroque masterpiece is free to visit, but be prepared for crowds. Nearby, the Spanish Steps offer a picturesque spot for a leisurely stroll or a quick break. While both attractions are free, the surrounding area is filled with shops and eateries. A meal in this area can cost you around $15 to $30 depending on the place. Trastevere and local markets. For a taste of local Roman life, head to Trastevere, a charming neighborhood known for its narrow, cobbled streets and vibrant nightlife. Here, you can explore traditional trattorias, bars, and artisan shops. Meals in this area are reasonably priced, with a hearty Italian dinner costing around $20 to $40. Don't miss the local markets like Campo dei Fiori, where you can sample fresh produce, cheese, and other Italian delicacies. Prices vary, but a small budget can go a long way here. Transportation options. Public transportation. Rome's public transportation system is efficient and budget-friendly. The city offers buses, trams, and metro services, making it easy to reach almost any destination. A single ticket costs $1.50 and is valid for 100 minutes, allowing transfers between buses, trams, and the metro. For travelers planning to explore the city extensively, the Roma Pass or tourist card can be a great deal. The 48-hour pass costs $30, while the 72-hour pass is $52, providing unlimited access to public transport and free or discounted entry to several museums and attractions. Public transportation is a fantastic way to experience the local culture and avoid the hassle of parking. Taxis and ride-sharing. While taxis are a convenient option for door-to-door service, they can be more expensive than public transport. The initial fare starts at $3 during the day, $4.50 at night, and can go up depending on the distance and time. Keep in mind that fares from the airport to the city center are fixed, $48 from Fiumicino and $30 from Ciampino. Ride-sharing services like Uber are available, but are limited compared to other cities. Uber operates as a luxury service in Rome, meaning the prices are higher than traditional taxis. If you prefer convenience and are willing to pay a bit more, taxis and ride-sharing can be a good choice, especially for late-night trips or when carrying heavy luggage. Car rentals. Renting a car in Rome offers flexibility, especially if you plan to explore the countryside or neighboring cities. However, driving in Rome can be challenging due to heavy traffic and limited parking spaces. Car rental prices vary, starting from around $40 per day, depending on the vehicle type and rental company. Additionally, keep in mind the cost of fuel, parking fees, and possible toll charges when planning your budget. Many areas in Rome, including the historic center, have restricted traffic zones, ZTL, and driving there without proper authorization can result in hefty fines. For those looking to venture beyond the city, car rentals can be a great option, but within Rome, public transportation might be more practical. Biking and scooters. For the adventurous traveler, biking and electric scooters offer an eco-friendly and enjoyable way to explore Rome. Several bike rental shops and bike-sharing services are available, with prices starting at around $4 per hour or $15 for a full day. Electric scooters are also popular, with companies like Lime and Bird offering scooters for rent through mobile apps. Rates are typically $1 to unlock the scooter and $0.1 per minute of use. Rome's historic streets and scenic parks make biking and scootering an attractive option, especially on a sunny day. However, keep in mind that some areas have cobblestone streets and heavy traffic, so it's essential to ride carefully. Walking. One of the best ways to explore Rome is on foot. The city's compact layout, rich history, and stunning architecture make walking an enjoyable and immersive experience. Many of Rome's most famous landmarks, like the Colosseum, Trevi Fountain, and Pantheon, are within walking distance of each other. Plus, it's free. Walking allows you to discover hidden gems, local shops, and quaint cafes that you might miss using other transportation methods. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes and keep a city map or GPS handy. Strolling through Rome's charming streets is not only cost-effective, but also a fantastic way to soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere. Top restaurants and their prices. Traditional trattorias. When in Rome, you must visit its traditional trattorias, where you'll find some of the best authentic Italian cuisine. One must visit is Trattoria de Enzo al 29, located in the Trastevere district. Here, you can indulge in classic Roman dishes like carbonara, cacio e pepe, and amatriciana. Prices are quite reasonable, with pasta dishes ranging from £12 to $18. Another gem is Osteria de Fortunata, famous for its homemade pasta and warm, cozy ambiance. Expect to pay around $15 to $25 for a meal here. These trattorias offer a genuine taste of Rome without breaking the bank. Fine dining experiences. If you're looking to splurge on an unforgettable meal, Rome has no shortage of fine dining options. La Pergola at the Rome Cavalieri is a 3-Michelin star restaurant that offers a luxurious dining experience with stunning views of the city. The tasting menu here can cost around $250 to $300 per person, but it's an experience worth every penny. For a slightly more affordable yet still upscale option, Il Pagliaccio offers a 2-Michelin star experience with a tasting menu priced at around $150 per person. These restaurants are perfect for special occasions or if you simply want to indulge in Rome's high-end culinary scene. Pizzerias and street food. Rome is also known for its incredible pizza and street food. Pizzeria da Buffetto is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, offering delicious, thin-crust Roman-style pizzas. Prices here are very reasonable, with most pizzas costing between $8 to $12. For a quick and affordable bite, try Supplizio, where you can enjoy the traditional Roman street food, supply, a fried rice ball filled with mozzarella and meat sauce for just $3 to $5. These spots are great for enjoying Rome's food scene on a budget while still indulging in some delicious local flavors. Hidden gems and local favorites. Rome is full of hidden culinary gems waiting to be discovered. Flavio al Velovedetto is one such place, known for its mouth-watering cacio e pepe and an extensive wine list. The atmosphere is charming and authentic, and prices are moderate, with main dishes ranging from $15 to $25. Another local favorite is Roscioli, a deli, bakery, and restaurant all in one. Here, you can savor exquisite pasta dishes and a variety of cured meats and cheeses. Expect to pay around $20 to $30 for a meal, depending on what you order. These restaurants are beloved by locals and offer a truly authentic Roman dining experience. Budget-friendly eats. Traveling on a budget? Rome has plenty of affordable dining options that don't compromise on quality. Pasta Chef offers a quick and delicious pasta fix, with most dishes costing under $10. It's perfect for a fast, tasty, and budget-friendly meal. Another great spot is Trapezzino, where you can enjoy a unique street food experience with their signature triangular sandwiches filled with various Italian specialties. Prices here range from $4 to $6, making it an excellent option for travelers looking to enjoy Rome's culinary delights without spending too much. Where to stay and prices in Rome City. Luxury hotels in Rome. If you're looking to splurge on your Roman getaway, Rome offers some of the world's most luxurious hotels. Places like Hotel de Russi, located near the Spanish Steps, provide a lavish experience with prices starting at around $500 per night. Another top pick is the Hassler Roma, perched atop the Spanish Steps, offering breathtaking views and top-tier service for around $600 per night. These hotels hotels boast world-class amenities, including spas, fine dining, and elegant rooms, perfect for those who want to indulge in the finer things during their stay. Mid-range hotels. For travelers seeking comfort without the luxury price tag, Rome's mid-range hotels offer the perfect balance. Boutique hotels like the Albergo del Senado provide a charming stay with rooms averaging $200 to $300 per night. Located right next to the Pantheon, it gives you a blend of convenience and comfort. Another option is Hotel Artemide, situated on the lively Via Nazionale, with prices starting at $150. These mid-range options offer great value, with amenities like free breakfast and rooftop terraces, ensuring a cozy yet affordable stay. Budget-friendly stays. Traveling on a budget? Rome has plenty of wallet-friendly options that don't compromise on quality. Hostels like the Beehive offer private rooms starting at just $60 per night. This cozy, eco-friendly hostel near Termini Station is perfect for budget-conscious travelers. Another great choice is the Generator Rome, a trendy hostel with dorm beds starting at $25 and private rooms at $80. These budget-friendly accommodations offer a sociable atmosphere, free Wi-Fi, and often a shared kitchen to save on meal costs. Best neighborhoods to stay. In choosing the right neighborhood can make all the difference in your Roman adventure. If you want to be in the heart of the action, the historic center is ideal, but it comes with higher prices. Trastevere, known for its charming cobblestone streets and vibrant nightlife, offers a mix of mid-range and budget options. For a quieter, more local experience, consider staying in the Prati neighborhood near the Vatican. Prices here are generally more affordable, and you'll have easy access to key attractions while avoiding the tourist crowds. Booking tips and cost-saving strategies. To get the best deals on accommodations in Rome, booking in advance is key, especially during peak seasons like spring and autumn. Use comparison websites like Booking.com or Airbnb to find competitive rates. Consider staying a bit outside the city center to save on costs, as Rome's efficient public transport can easily bring you to major attractions. Also, look out for hotels that include breakfast in the price, as this can save you a considerable amount on meals during your stay. Rome is a city full of wonders, where every corner tells a story. From walking through ancient ruins to enjoying a delicious plate of pasta, Rome is an experience you'll never forget. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, there's always something new to discover in this timeless city. So, are you ready to explore Rome? Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and want more travel tips and guides, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We have so many more exciting places to show you.